Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Please be seated. Gaurang Charan Mahapatra.
Sir.
I think you had come earlier also.
Sir?
You had come earlier.
No, sir. First time, sir.
First time.
This is first time for mock interview?
Yes, sir.
First time in OPSC Viper?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. You must get it.
Thank you, sir.
What are you doing now?
Sir, after retiring from naval service, sir, completing 15 years, now, sir, appearing twice in UPSC, then, sir, first time in OPSC, sir.
Okay. What was your last posting?
Last posting, sir, in NCC Delhi, sir, for 2 years in training and administration, sir.
Where?
In Delhi, sir, New Delhi.
In
sir.
Delhi.
Yes, sir.
You retired as
As Chief Petty Officer, sir, that is Junior Commissioned Officer, sir.
junior?
Junior Commissioned Officer, sir.
Junior JCO?
Yes, sir. Naib Subedar rank, sir.
Naib Subedar.
Yes,
You
sir.
are
What
in
was what?
defense?
Sir?
You are in defense?
Yes, sir.
Naval
Ex-service-
service.
From Navy, sir.
Navy?
Yes.
INS, which was your last place? INS
Number
Delhi?
2, Delhi Naval Unit NCC, sir.
What NCC? What was your job responsibility?
Responsibility, sir, initially as a radar plotter in navigation and direction, to give direction to ships and tracking and making a situational report and creating a diagram what is happening around and what we should do in future to counter the enemy. And after that, sir, in administration for 2 years, then in training for 2 years in Chilka, trained to the recruits, the newly recruits, and then again in SIP for coastal operations for 2 years, then in NCC to give training, and after that administration, then retired.
What is GPS?
Global positioning system, sir.
What is that?
What is GPS?
Global positioning system. Sir, it is like there are various satellites that are positioned in the orbit. They take the which called I don't exactly remember the term, but they give their if I am here, then 3 satellites will track that position, then that will meet in a point, and that point will be this object's position. Like it may be, there may be some error.
How many satellites have been engaged for this particular purpose, GPS?
Sir,
In India?
In India, sir, it is IRNSS, I think exactly I don't remember the name, sir.
What is GPRS?
GPRS, that is, sir, internet, sir, I think. I am not clear, sir.
General Pocket Radio
Pocket radio service.
Service.
But
What does it? How does it differ from that GPS?
GPS is, sir, giving position, sir, the position of an object, and I think GPRS is for internet, sir. I don't.
That thing is also you must be knowing because you
Sir,
were in.
GPRS we don't use, sir, but we use largely GPS, sir.
Acha. What about Babu system? Babu Raj.
Babu Raj, that is, sir, called red tapeism.
It referred to what?
Red tapeism, sir.
That is true. But who are to be called Babus? Who are generally called Babus?
Mainly bureaucrats, sir.
Only bureaucrats, acha.
Mainly,
They
sir.
are Raj. What is that Raj?
Raj means, sir,
They rule.
they think that actually the responsibility that has been given to them, it should come and the power that they bear, and it should go from responsibility to power. But they use it from power to responsibility.
They dominate in the power system.
Yes, sir. Means they use their power.
You hail from which district?
From, sir, Srikakulam district, Andhra Pradesh, sir.
You hail from that district.
Yes, sir. But presently, sir, I am staying in Bhubaneswar, sir, for studies.
After you get selected in Odisha Administrative Service, you are
Yes,
posted as a block development officer in
In Ganjam, sir.
flood affected block.
Yes, sir.
What would be your preparedness
Yes, sir.
when a impending flood
Yes, sir.
will come
Yes, sir.
and maroon the entire?
First of all, sir, spreading the information as fast as possible, sir, making the people aware about that and setting them as early as possible. And then if someone is still is captured in the site, in the flood, then we need to carry out the relief operations. And if someone is also misplaced or
Now you are just answering the questions, but you have to make it systematic. Because what measures you will take as block development officer during pre-flood time,
yes, sir.
during flood and post-flood. So pre-flood, what type, sort of preparedness you will take?
Pre-flood, sir,
You are now given the information that 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs cusecs water is coming in Brahmani, or 7 lakhs cusecs water is flowing in the river Brahmani, and it will reach the day after tomorrow evening, or tomorrow evening it will reach. So what preparedness you will take?
So first of all, the infrastructure and the facilities that are available to counter the floods.
You will single-handed do manage
No, sir,
everything?
with the coordination of all the.
Then you have to call a meeting.
Yes, sir.
Meeting of the officials, meeting
Yes,
of the
sir.
non-officials,
Yes, sir.
because block is also a
Yes, sir.
place where
Yes.
people's representatives
Yeah,
are there,
to-
committee members,
Yes.
sarpanchas,
Yes,
so
sir.
many things are there.
Yes,
So
sir.
you will call a meeting.
Yes, sir. To
of
spread the awareness, sir, and to discuss
Ah.
about the available resources and to make aware the nearby people.
But water resources department has a role in this thing.
Sir,
What water resources department's officers have a role?
sir, exactly.
The water resources department, you means irrigation department people.
Yes.
So you call them, you interact with them, and you tell them that this embankment is, you tell me which portion of the embankment is weak, so that it will be strengthened.
Yes.
If any
But sir,
vulnerable.
as you said that next day is flooding, so in the short duration we can't work on embankment, I think, sir.
No, what I suggest means pre-flood means not exactly immediate flood.
Okay, sir.
So you know that 15 days there,
Yes, sir.
after 15 days that flood will
Yes,
come,
yes.
because there is incessant
Yes.
rainfall.
Yes.
So this type of tips or
Yes, sir.
measures you can take. During flood, what measures you will take?
Spreading the message to the localities as early as
Suppose
possible.
quite a good number of panchayats are marooned. That means it is surrounded by water.
Yes.
So prior to that, you must have taken the decision that adequate chuda, good,
matlab,
and
relief
other
materials, sir.
essential commodities
Yes.
are preserved there, so that they
Yes,
can
sir.
distribute
That-
it.
yes,
through-
yes, sir. If they are affected, sir.
Yes.
Actually, to spread the message, sir,
After flood, what would be your?
after flood, to why this happened, if there is any lack like infrastructure, that is
You have to assess. You have to assess the
Yes,
damage
yes, assess.
caused to the paddy field,
Yes, sir.
caused to the roads,
Yes, sir.
your properties, government organizations,
Yes, sir.
government properties, private properties.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
the
And
thing.
why it happened, if there is any damage, why it happened.
So you will report this matter to the government through collector.
Yes, sir.
So this relief measures will also be undertaken.
Yes, sir.
Could you get my point?
Right, sir.
And sufficient number of power boards, country boards will be pressed into service.
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is a high flood, then you will also engage those boards.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Acha.
Mainly, sir, to if there is a lack of infrastructure, we need to make the infrastructure strong, by which in future also, if the same incident happen, it will not cause much damage. And if damage occurred, also to give them
Suppose you are posted as Tahsildar.
Where, sir?
Tahsildar
Yes, sir.
in a particular Tahsil.
Yes, sir.
Suppose a government land has been occupied by a person, he has constructed a house over that.
Yes, sir.
So as Tahsildar, what steps you would take?
Sir.
He has constructed a house from since 30-40 years. Nobody knows.
Yes, sir. That is what is called nowadays is illegal encroachment. It happens, sir, in India.
As Tahsildar, what steps, measures you will take?
Yes, sir. As a Tahsildar, to inform the the residents, sir. That
Issue notice.
Yes, sir. Issue notice and that.
For what?
Sir.
For vacation.
Yes, sir. But to tell them that this is illegally you are occupying some area and you need to vacate this because this is government land, and if it is possible to if he or she listens it, then it's good. If not, then the government proper procedural steps to be taken, sir.
Suppose he or she is a scheduled caste person.
Yes, sir.
And occupy this government land.
Yes, sir.
And it's a Anabadi land.
Yes, sir.
And you know that he is a very poor person.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, it's not about poor, or it's not about any caste or something like that. We can't give a leeway to someone because it will lead and set an example for others also. We can give them some help financially, or if there is any scheme available in this state, we can give them resettlement.
Suppose from you inquired everything that she is a landless. She doesn't have a land to construct a house.
Yes.
And that is a Anabadi land of government.
Yes,
And
I understood, sir. That is what I am saying, sir. She or he may be landless, so that is why he is encroaching this land. But under some program, so financial assistance may be given by which he or she may be resettled in future, sir. But it is not that we will allow him or her.
Should be vacated from that land?
No, it's not like that forcefully, sir. It's like to make him understand that he or
Why
she.
make it understand?
Because
My
we
point
already-
is, he or she is a landless lady.
Yes.
Or landless person.
Yes, sir.
She doesn't have a homestead land of 4 decimil or something like that.
Yes, sir.
There is a scheme going on in revenue department, that is Basundhara scheme,
Yes.
where the landless person is allotted with 4 decimil of land for construction of a house. He has constructed that house. That land is eligible. Person is eligible. So there is no difficulty on the part of the Tahsildar to settle that land.
No, sir. Why I am saying is, recently an incident occurred in Uttar Pradesh also, sir. The government also, it's not about resettling the same land, sir, because this same land may be needed for some other purpose, government important purpose, by which we cannot allow that person to stay him or her for in future, sir. If the government needs that person for some important strategic operations, then we need to evacuate her and to resettle him in some place. Sir.
ठीक है.
Okay, Mr. Gaurang Charan Mahapatra, nice to see you that you work in defense and ended to here.
Thank you, sir.
And now opting for civil services. Basically, we belong to southern Odisha.
Sir.
And you're resident of Ganjam.
Actually, sir, my whole study in Ganjam, sir, but the village is nearby to Srikakulam district. So this area,
What is it?
Srikakulam district, sir. This area was primarily in Odisha, sir, but I think after reshuffle, this area.
You're resident of Andhra Pradesh or
Andhra Pradesh.
Domicile of
Andhra Pradesh.
How could you apply for this state?
Because it's citizen of India, sir.
ex-service.
And you should
As
know,
ex-service
speak, read and write Odia, sir.
Yeah, that's right.
That's why, sir. Because my whole education is in Odisha only, sir.
So you did your schooling and college from Hollywood College?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In which year that was established Hollywood College?
Sir, it is in 1878, sir.
By?
Why, sir?
By whom?
By whose?
Person was behind that establishment. When person contributed a lot for that.
Contributed a lot, sir. That in the history, sir, there is a Raja Sahab in Khalipur, sir, who contributed 1 lakh rupees for development during its financial crisis. That time there was a collector called Higgins, ICS. He asked for some help to develop it, to develop the infrastructure and other assistances by which it can contribute more to the society, sir. By which, that is it, sir.
Who got Padma Award from Ganjam district for what?
Sir, I can frankly speak, sir, I am little bit weak in factual, sir, because I.
He was outside.
Okay. Just tell me, do you support the tribal development in Odisha?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
So if you support the tribal development,
yes,
the
sir.
same time
Yeah.
also,
Yes,
the tribal development, they lose their
ତମେ
potential.
କରିପାରିବ
Yes, sir.
How can you manage both things? How does you answer on that?
Sir, to get something, it's not the policy we should disturb something, sir. We should have a balanced approach, sir. Like we need to, like the PESA Act, sir. We have given some rights to their land, and to upbring them to the normal society, to give them income, to make their economic life more robust. And it does not need displacement, it does not need to destroy their area of where they stay. We can develop some activities, and if it needed to migrate to some places, we need to give them the opportunity to of income, sir, by which they can
They can all-round developments of that.
yes, sir, yes, by which we should not lose them, because they are our history, sir. We should not
What
lose.
is task trapezoid?
What's sir?
Task. Task trapezoid.
I have not heard, sir.
That's in the same news also.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Gaurang Charan Mahapatra.
Sir.
Gaurang.
Sir.
What is the main meaning of that Gaurang?
Gaurang, sir, Chaitanya, sir, Vishnu Bhagwan, and also the name of Shiv, sir.
Chaitanya Dharma Avalaman করছেন?
No, sir, I believe in one dharma, that is human being, sir. Because every religion is lower than that religion, sir.
ଆପଣ ଶିକାଗୋଳମ୍ କହୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଶିକାଗୋଳମ୍ ଯିବା ରୋଡ଼ରେ
Sir.
କେଉଁ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ହାଇୱେରେ ଯିବା
NH16, sir.
କେତେ କିଲୋମିଟର?
Sir, around, sir, 250 to 300, I think, sir. I don't know exactly, sir.
ପୁରା 100 କିଲୋମିଟର କମେଇ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଖୁସି ମୁଁ ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ସେୟାର ମୋର୍ ଦେନ୍ 300, 324
Okay, sir, I will check it, sir.
Anyway,
Okay, sir.
you have passed MA in psychology.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
In psychology, there is a cognitive psychology.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Cognitive means, sir, mental psychology, it to mainly focus on the development of the mind, sir. How we need to, how we understand, how we.
In this connection, perception is what is coming. Perception.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Perception means how you look into things. Like the same thing.
I don't want to any example.
Yes.
To explain this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
What is developmental psychology?
Developmental psychology means, sir, in the developing world, the happenings that are going on in the today's society, how the problems are happening and how we will deal with them.
Suppose you will be an administrative official.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
How to develop the mind among the peoples?
Among the people means men, sir, in the where I am working in among the employees and in the organization, by which they are mainly our mindset gives a lot of productivity, sir.
The main thing is that an idle mind reveals what?
Yes, sir.
In this connection, how will you enhance their mind ability,
Because
mental ability?
yes, sir. Till the time you don't understand the capacity of your talent, if you are not motivated and you will not know that what you can gain by applying
I am
your
not
talents.
following my questions.
Yes, sir.
An idle mind reveals what?
Yes, sir.
The person who are not getting any work,
Yes, sir.
they are residing in a particular village or in a particular area. How to enhance their mental ability to work and to in the stream of the mainstream of the society? How will in Kanku Nebe?
Achha, you are saying, actually initially I thought about employees, sir, but you are asking about a place where they are idle, sir, because they are having less of opportunities, sir, because if they are in agriculture to
What
they are,
will you do as a administrative official?
yes, sir, to providing them if they are doing agriculture, they are to recover, to remove them from subsistence farming, sir, like by
You
providing.
cannot do anything because you are the servant of the government.
No, sir, by through different schemes, sir,
So you will see how this scheme will be
implemented, sir.
implemented among the people properly. That
Yes,
is
sir.
your work. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I can tell you
Yes,
silent features of Indian society. What are the different silent features of the
Yes,
Indian
sir.
society?
Sir, Indian society is diverse, sir, and we are living together, and we are in the culture of maintaining unity and diversity, sir. We are living different culture, different.
I am speaking about the salient features. I am not explain what is the Indian society.
Yes.
What are the silent features of the Indian society?
Sir,
Because it's not only multi-ethnic.
That is what I am saying, sir.
multi-ideological, those
Different-
things you will tell.
that is what I am saying, sir. Different religious peoples are staying here, different culture, different religions.
Unity and diversity of India
Yes.
are not opposite to each other. Explain.
Sir, you will repeat. Sir.
Unity and diversity of India,
Yes, sir.
they are not opposite to each other in case of Indian context.
Yes,
Please
sir.
explain.
Unity and diversity not opposite because sir, we are in our country. There are diverse religion, diverse society people living here in India. But we are in the end we are together, sir. Like in a family, we may be having various.
One democracy, one rule.
Yes, sir, that is what I am saying, sir. That is what I am saying, sir.
ତାର ଯେଉଁ ରୁଲ୍ ରେଗୁଲେସନ୍ ମଙ୍ଗା ନା ଆମେ ଆଇଡ଼ିଓଲୋଜି କଥା କହିଲେ ହେବ ଆମ ରୁଲ୍ ରେଗୁଲେସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଗୋଟିଏ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଏଭ୍ରିବଡି ସୁଡ୍ ଓବେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍
Yes.
ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ମାଇ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍
You have to stick with the constitution, sir.
ଯାହା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାର ହେଉଛି ଆପଣ ସେଇ ନର୍ସେପ୍ଟରେ ସେତିକି ଆନ୍ସର୍
Sir. Sir.
ଓକେ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ବେଷ୍ଟ
ଗୌରାଙ୍ଗ ଭଲ କର
Sir,
One thing I will say that when we operate like saying which matlab we using matlab.
ସେ ହିନ୍ଦୀ ହେଇଯାଉଛି
Hindi
ଟିକେ
use it actually so many times but 50 times we use the same one matlab. By the
Actually,
ଛାଡ଼ିଆ ସାର୍
sir, ଟିକେ sir, any suggestion, sir?
ଏନି ସଜେସନ୍
ଏକଦମ ଭଲ
ଯେ ପୁରା ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହାତ ସିଧା ରଖନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି କରିବେନି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଫୋଲ୍ଡ ୟୋର ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍
Yes.
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଯାହା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ଦେବେ ମାନେ ଲଜିକାଲି ଉତ୍ତର
Right, sir.
ଏଠି କୌଣସି
To the point, sir.
ଡିବେଟ୍ ନୁହେଁ କି ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ସ୍ପିଚ୍
Sir.
and his experience ତାପରେ he had served the society
No, sir, just whatever weakness I have, I should know, sir. By which I
Yeah.
can.
Okay, everything is all right. Your answers.
you tell us your posture, your costume, everything is okay
Yes, sir.
because you look like a military person.
Yes, sir.
So you want a job in the Odisha government.
Yes, sir.
So in many cases you have got an advantageous position.
Yes, sir.
ହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ ଭର୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆମେ ଯାହା ଦେଖୁଛୁ ସେ ଯାହା କହିଲେ ମତଲବ ଟିକେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମଝିରେ
Ah, sir,
ମଝିରେ
yes, sir. Anything
ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ
else?
ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ
Improve your current was regarding your southern Odisha.
Current regarding.
100% general knowledge regarding your southern
Yes.
Odisha.
because you are born there na
Issues, labor issues.
you are brought up
there.
there
There is no industrialization there.
Yes, sir.
So the program about migrating to Surat and Gujarat. Most
Yes, sir,
people
yes,
are
sir.
living that area actually.
Yes.
The Patrapur area, Chikri area.
Yes.
You see that the problems, the Kevada flower issue also.
Yes, sir.
What is there?
Yes.
So recently, you go to
Gopalpur
the
to go-
at least go to the Ganjam to NS today also.
demography of Ganjam you must know.
Must know.
Anything else, sir? Sir, any, sir?
ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାର ଅଛି
To, to the point.
No, actually you also meant that.
Actually, I
Yeah,
meant
you-
that,
you
but
just-
I-
you-
elaborate ନାହିଁ
Yes,
Now,
I
you,
should not elaborate much,
you
sir.
said that despite diversity,
Yes.
but his answer is also equally because despite diversity we have a single constitution in
Yes,
India.
Yes.
That's
So-
all.
That's- sir.
ନା ଠିକ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
Because
ନାହିଁ.
only you get 15 to 20 minutes are there.
Understood, sir.
So don't
So,
elaborate your answer.
should be answer should be crisp.
very
This is a
very
more-
pinpointed, very pinpointed.
Yes, smiles.
That's why you are coming here.
No, sir. No hurry, sir.
Don't be.
Yes.
Okay.
All the best.
Okay.
All the-
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
best.
Thank you, sir. Sir, ये अपना बाहर
Number one.
Thank you, sir.
ये पाइब तार कोटा 2% ଦିଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ ଏ 15 ବର୍ଷ ଚାକିରି କରି ଆସି ତାନେ ହେଲା ପେନସନ୍ ପାଇବ ସେଇଟା ହେଲା ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଭାଇ ମାନେ ବଡ଼ା ପାଖ ଭାଇ ସେ ବି 15 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆସିଲା ଏଠି ପାଇଗଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ପାଇଗଲା 70,000 ଖଣ୍ଡେ ପାଉଛି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଏଠି ପାଉଛି 30,000 ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଗଲା ଆମଠୁ ଅଧିକା ଧର ଆମେ ପାଇଗଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିଯାଉଛି ଟିକେ ସୁବିଧା
Thank you.
ନା ନା
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ବୋର୍ଡ ବି ଦେଉଛି
ଡେଡିକେଟେଡ୍ କାମ
May I come in, sir?
come in please be seated
Thank you, sir.
introduce yourself
Sir, my full name is Aditya Khuntia.
आदित्य आकाश खुंटिया अच्छा
I born and brought up in Cuttack in 1993. Post that I have completed my +2 in Rajdhani College, Bhubaneswar, and after that I have completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in Parla Maharaja Engineering College, Barampur in 2017. After that, I have worked in a private company in Raulgala, SLM Technology Private Limited for 2.5 years, and currently I am working in as a junior assistant in Board of Revenue, Odisha, Cuttack.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
Why did you express your interest to work under Odisha government as an OAS officer? What prompted you?
Sir, first thing, as I'm
What prompted you to come
yes, sir.
to the administrative position of Odisha government?
Yes, sir. Sir, first, as I have worked in a private institution. I thought that my project or work in a project can benefit a minimum section of society. And I thought in this service, in civil service, my work or my
There is scope.
profile can explore more thing and can give a better opportunity for the society in a larger section.
You are really interested to serve the society?
Yes, sir.
In which way?
Sir, my first priority will be on education and tribal development.
How will you do that?
Sir, in case of tribal development,
Suppose there is a large scale of dropouts in a school. How will it address this? How will you address this problem?
yes, sir.
There is a large number of dropouts in a particular school.
Yes, sir.
You as a BDO, you have come across this thing. How you will address this problem?
Sir, first I'll try to analyze the issue, means why there is a large number of dropout, and as per in current scenario,
You will collect feedback.
yes, sir.
From whom?
Sir, from student also, as well as from locality area, like from Sarpanch, why the dropout ratio is more.